Hey everybody, it's Mitch here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a product review of the 12-minute affiliate program. And this is a ClickBank product, so if you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a great way to get started. There's lots to it. Let's jump into my computer and I'll give you a presentation and tell you all about it. Here, this is a review of the 12-minute affiliate system. This is a ClickBank product and it's good for newbie affiliate marketers. So what is it? It's a teaching system that teaches new affiliate marketers how to start making commissions daily by, number one, choosing the right offers, number two, setting up lead capture pages and autoresponders, and then driving traffic to those offers. Those are the basics of affiliate marketing. And all this is pretty much done for you. All the heavy lifting is done. You can get yourself set up with this in about 12 minutes. That's the claim here. So it's all done for you. And it's an affiliate marketing system, like I said, of lead capture pages, email follow-up sequences, and traffic methods, which are mainly in this system heavily based on solo ads. So who is the product creator? This is a product created by Devon Brown. This guy is super high energy. He's an experienced affiliate marketer. He is also an experienced product creator. He's been around for a while. He's legit. Like I said, he's super high energy. The way you get into this program is by attending a webinar, and I'll put a link in the bottom of this video to that webinar so you can check it out. But it's this guy's super high energy. You'll get a lot of energy just by listening to him. So I'm pretty low energy, so maybe I needed the boost. So he's a good guy. He's active on Facebook and Instagram. In fact, let's go take a look real quick. We can go look at his Facebook and Instagram here. Here is his Facebook page. You can see he's just getting done doing a seminar there, and he's pretty active in there. He's a real guy, so he's legit. He's not just some nameless person hiding behind his product face. He's just a real guy out doing the real stuff. So who is this product for? It is for new online entrepreneurs, people that want to make money online and they're just getting started, don't know where to start. Affiliate marketing, I think, is the best way to go because you don't need a product, you don't need inventory, and you don't need employees or anything like that. So it's good for affiliate marketers. It does not require any experience, and the way to get started with this is to, again, attend his webinar, and he'll tell you all about it. Now here's basically an overview of the webinar. Here are some of the key points. You can begin this, why affiliate marketing is great, because you can start without your own product. You don't need to make your own websites and know any techie stuff with this system. You don't have to take weeks to get started. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need to do any customer support, and there's no payment processing. You just refer products, and if you make a sale, then you get the money sent to you. So there's very low barriers to entry and very low barriers to success. There's no Google SEO to worry about, or social media or blogging to work up over time. There's no selling to local businesses or customer interaction where you have to track down leads and make sales and meet with people. There's no MLM, there's no people you have to convince to go in and buy your system. These are usually just find these people by putting out an offer, and if someone's interested, they'll raise their hand. So you also don't need really any copywriting skills or to build your own funnels, or no phone sales or talking to anyone. So it's a really easy business. All you really need to do is get traffic and send that traffic to your offer, and follow up with your traffic and follow up with those people that do show, raise their hand, that say, I'm interested in this offer. So oftentimes people won't buy on the first round, so you do want to do some lead capture, and the system is great for that. So some more about the webinar overview. He goes over the key points. Number one is that the number one easiest way to make money online is affiliate marketing. And there's three things you need to make money online. That's to have a product, and to have a lead capture, and then to have follow-up. And his program has all of that combined, and how to choose a product, how to capture your leads, and how to do the follow-ups. So these are some of the biggest obstacles people face when making money online, and this product pretty much overcomes all of those. And it's how to get results the right way, starting in 12 minutes. Everything is discussed step by step. So what are the costs? You can get started for as little as $9.95, take a test drive for 14 days. After that is then $47 per month, which includes things like ongoing customer support and updates, and monthly coaching calls and webinars that he does for, for his customers. And that includes one niche. There are some upsells. Let's go into that a little bit. So with the $9.95 14-day trial, you can start there. There's one upsell right off the bat that is a way to 3 times your results. It's got a blueprint to do that. You can also opt for the done for you setup, which the system goes through and tells you how to set everything up, but they also have a done for you setup, which is $67, and they'll just set it all up for you real quick so you can get up and running in less than 12 minutes. So after that, it's $47 a month. There are, if you want to have more than one niche, you can have 3 niches for $97 a month, and if you want to expand out. And then there's the lifetime access for one niche of $397, and if you want to have the 3 niche system, there's a $797 cost, lifetime access for that. So what are the pros? The things I like about it are there's low cost to entry to get started and check the system out. It's a 14-day trial. It's really good for beginners who don't have any sort of knowledge and skills. You can build those skills as you go, but you can get the infrastructure set up for you with this system in 12 minutes, and then you can start building those skills while your stuff is out there doing work for you. So it's a done for you. It's got all done for you lead pages and email follow-ups, which is nice. It's got a focus on list building, which is really good. It's also got a money-back guarantee, which comes from any product that's offered by ClickBank, so you're safe there. You don't have to worry about losing any money. And it's got really good support from what I can tell. It's an active Facebook group, and I joined the $9.95 trial, and they'll call you and follow up with you and make sure everything's okay. So they do offer some good support there, and I do like that. Some of the cons, I think, are it's focused mainly on paid traffic, like solo ads. And if you don't know what solo ads are, you'll learn about that in the system. It's a way to pay for traffic so you can make sales. That's one thing. You do want to build up your skills, and affiliate marketing takes time and a personal touch, like making YouTube videos, so you can interact with your audience, and they can get to know you and like you and trust you. And that's the long-term way to make sales down the line. So the system's not really set up for that. It doesn't promote that. It doesn't say that's what it is, but I would like something. I guess that's one of the cons in my book, is that it doesn't offer anything about free traffic. There's like a book on how to get free traffic that's in the system, and I'll show you some of the back-end system in just a minute, but it doesn't go over stuff on free traffic. It's mostly just paid traffic. And you'll see you'll still need to build up your skills, like your copywriting skills, how to get traffic, how to do funnel building. But again, those are things, if you're just starting off, the system is good for getting everything set up, get your infrastructure in place. If you don't know how to do this stuff, it could take you weeks to get it all set up. So it's a good way to go, get everything set up, and then you can kind of learn those skills. So I guess it's not really a con, and the system isn't really set out to do that. It does what it does, and I think it does it pretty well. So I guess we'll just move on. All right, so let's take a look inside the system, inside the back end. Once you join, this is the page you're gonna see. You're gonna start off with a checklist, which makes it real simple. I guess it's 12 minutes set up, all these added together. But basically, the first item is choose which niche to promote. And there's a choice of home business, make money online, weight loss, and personal development. And those are some of the I guess the evergreen top ways to do well with affiliate marketing is these 3 types of niches. So there's a video training on each one of these checklist items. So if you're confused and you need more information on how to choose things, it's all right here in the video training. So you would choose that, and then you would say confirm, click confirm, and you're off and running with your one niche. Then from there, you would create your affiliate account, one of which would be ClickBank. You can sign up for others and use those as well, but ClickBank is the main one that they use here. Once you have your ID from ClickBank, you would just plug that in here and complete the step, and then you're set up with ClickBank so you can promote products that way. After that, you will set up your autoresponder. Their autoresponder of choice is Aweber, but you can also use the GetResponse and I believe MailChimp. I use ActiveCampaign myself mostly, but I think GetResponse is probably good. And I've also used Aweber in the past, and that's also a good choice. So if you're new and you don't have an autoresponder, probably just go with what they recommend. And again, there's video training here for each of these steps, tells you what to do. And after that, you will activate your funnels. These are done for you funnels. They've got a unique list ID, and you just check the box. Once you're done, you'll get your funnels set up. If you don't know what a funnel is, you just go through the training. It'll tell you what it is. But basically, a funnel is a way to when someone's interested in your, well, it's a way to bring a prospect through a process and turn them into a buyer, really. So in the old days, people used to just send traffic right to the offer, and then most of the time people don't buy right off the bat. And if you put them into a funnel where you capture their email, if they don't buy right off the bat, you can follow up with them, and that's called a sales funnel, and it's a whole process. And this system is all set up with the email autoresponders to follow up with them. So they say it takes like 6 or 7 times before someone decides to buy a product. So this is a really good system for that. It's all set up and done for you right off the bat. This is the optional setup where you can opt in for a $67 fee one time for one niche, or $97 for 3 niches, and they'll set it all up for you. And then after that, you will sign up for the done for you traffic. And what that is you're just going to buy traffic, and that's probably, my guess is solo ads. And solo ads are a great way to use someone else's list. A lot of people have built up a list of sometimes, hundreds of thousands or even a million people on their list, and they will allow you to buy clicks. So you're buying clicks from people who are interested in this kind of niche. So if you choose the fitness niche or weight loss, and you buy traffic, that traffic is already said, they raised their hand and said, I'm interested in this kind of niche. And so you'll get clicks from those, and it'll go to your offer, and then it's up to you to convert those into buyers. So that's it for the checklist. Once you get set up, there's a step-by-step page here that goes over, if it would load, so there's a simple step-by-step page here on how to get started. Once you do your checklist, that's step 1. Step 2, order traffic. Step 3, join the private 12-Minute Affiliate Insiders Facebook group. It's a pretty active group, and you can introduce yourself and connect with other members in there and get feedback on what's working, what's not, and what's going on in the industry. Also, there's ongoing training, live trainings that happen that are also, let's see here, there's training in here somewhere, Education Center, in the resources section. All the past training that has been done, you get access to those, and you get access to the ones that are up and coming with your $47 a month if you stay with the program. Okay, going through this step-by-step checklist here. There's also a custom funnel builder that you can check out. Once you get more comfortable with funnels, you can design a custom one to your liking for whatever product that you want to promote. There's some other checklists here. updating your email list takes about 15 minutes a day. 12-minute affiliate system will automatically follow up with everyone who comes through your system for you. If you want to triple or 10x your results, you can still email them. It's got some email swipes here that are broadcast emails, which you can just send out one-on-one. So there's some swipes here for your list that you build up if you want to entice people to go buy your offers. Okay, okay, moving back on here on this page, you have an option to get one-on-one coaching with Devon, literally the best in the industry. So it says here, I think that's $297 for one-on-one coaching for 3 sessions for an hour each. Step 8, be patient and consistent. Consistency in this industry is the key. Follow up with your people, pay attention to what's going on, track your results. Step 9, ask questions. The Facebook group is active and the support is very active, so you can submit a support ticket here. There's also an option, step 10, you can get a free vacation if you stay with the system. Take advantage of its vacation contest, show off your results to the Facebook group. It's kind of a way for them to get people excited about and keep the group active when you've got a chance to win a free vacation. Okay, and then step 11, all in and full out. That's their attitude. They want you to jump in and be all in with this system, so be in it to win it. That's pretty much it. That's just an overview of the back end. There's a lot here. I think it's a really decent system for someone who's just starting out and you don't have a lot of you don't have any list built up or anything like that. It's a way to get all your infrastructure set up as far as your funnels and your email follow-ups and picking the right niche, and everything's kind of just done for you and good to go. So I highly recommend this. It is a lower cost one. If you do have more experience and you want to get into some more high ticket, high-end stuff, check out the first link in the description of my video, because it's a way to make a lot more money. It's affiliate marketing, and there's also step-by-step that's a little more advanced. This system here is good for newbies and beginners. You might want to start with this. I recommend this system. But if you get more advanced, then you can also step up, stay in touch with me and step up to a higher end system. But I'll put a link in the description for both this system and my high-end, high-ticket affiliate marketing system. You can check those both out. There's lots of information on what they offer and see what's the right fit for you. So I guess that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you found value. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.